Hi, I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and I'm going to show you how to make a mascarpone flan. It's a pretty easy thing to do. For this flan, we're going to use half of this. We're going to use 4 ounces of mascarpone cheese. We're going to use 3 eggs. We're going to use half of a can of sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to use 1/4 of a can of regular condensed milk. We're going to scrape out 1 vanilla bean into our mix. We have everything in here already. We're going to beat that until it's smooth. We've melted some sugar, and that's going to be our caramel. We're going to be pouring that into the bottom of our little dish. You can use a ramekin. You can put them in a big pie pan. You can put it in a sheet pan. Just make sure you have enough sugar to cover the entire thing, whatever you're using. We're going to pour our mixture into there. We're going to put it in a sheet bath. We're going to put it in a half sheet pan with a water bath. The water is so that it doesn't crack and so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And then it's going to go into a 275-degree oven for 40 minutes. Okay, so what we've done is we've melted some sugar and we've poured it into the bottom of our little baking dish. We've poured our flan egg mixture over the top of it. And then we're going to be putting it in a pan that has water in it. Now, ordinarily what you'd want to do is you'd want to put this pan into the oven, then put your baking item on top of that, and then fill it up with water. But so you can see we have a little bit of a water bath here, and this is going to go into a 300-degree oven for 40 minutes. I said 275 degrees. It could be 275, it could be 300. Basically, you just want it to cook relatively slow so the eggs set. You're going to want to check it. As soon as it's firm to touch on top, I would turn off the oven, let it cool down, take it out in 20 minutes, and you're going to have yourself a flan. We have one here. I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so we have one here. We're going to run a knife around the edge. This way we can release it from the mold. This is a fluted mold, so it's going to be holding on a little bit tighter. Put it down, bang it down, and there you have your flan. Sometimes they come out neater than other times. You've got your syrupy caramel sauce on the inside. You want to take that, drip it around, and that's how to make mascarpone flan. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez for Demand Media. See you soon. That's good.